Hi, this is Gordon Day with Team Day. I am on Perdido Key Beach this afternoon looking at this wonderful unit in Purple Parrot. Probably the best deal out here right now in the Purple Parrot. You can see it has a screened front porch. Nice room to sit, enjoy the atmosphere. As you enter, it's a very nicely well-maintained unit, furnished in the sale price. Currently, the lowest price in Purple Parrot. Has a TV, storage under the stairwell, tile floor. Again, well-maintained, nice eating area. There's a stack of real estate cards on the bar. A lot of agents have been showing this property. It will sell most likely this month. It is well priced. For pricing, just give me a call, 850-308-1114, and I'll be happy to talk to you about this unit in the Purple Parrot. It has a stacked washer dryer. Relatively new AC unit. There is a half bath downstairs, 2-bedroom upstairs. This unit is close to 1151 square feet approximately. Paint is in good shape. The carpet is in good shape. The master, as we walk up, king size bed. Again, nicely decorated, very clean. Has a balcony similar in size to the one on the bottom, but not screened in. You can see plenty of room to come up here and enjoy the activities on Perdido Key. Okay, so this master, it does have a full bathroom, full bathtub with shower, and then the second bedroom upstairs. Again, two bedrooms, two beds, and a nicely decorated. Has TV. There is a small balcony out the back door there, and then another full bathroom, sink, shower. Great unit. To learn more about this property, feel free, give me a call, 850-308-1114, or just text PURPLE to that number, 850-308-1114, and I will instantly send you information about this home. Thank you.